Hello YouTube, Dr. Ralph up here, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this Lightning to USB cable by Apple. Unfortunately, about 3 months ago I lost my original charger that came with my iPad, so I bought this Lightning cable in SM, which is made by Alibaba temporarily. What I noticed is that there was really a difference in terms of how fast these cables are in charging your unit. But again, because of the COVID pandemic, I was not able to buy quality cables after I bought this one. There's actually a lot of Lightning to USB cables available online, like in Facebook or Lazada or maybe Shopee. But again, like me, I can't be sure if these items posted online are authentic or original. So I hope this video will help you in any way determine whether the ones that you bought online, or maybe you have now that you bought online, are authentic or not. So on the packaging on this side, there's a, I don't know, it says here from Kuala Lumpur. Sorry, I can't read this language. And on the bottom part, there's a model number. It's made in China, designed by Apple in California. And then I think that on this part here, I think that's a manufacture date or when it was made. And on the right side, you can see there's a compatible with all models with a lightning connector. And on the back portion, price tag. I think this is the store's price tag. They placed that there, and then there's a code, I don't know, barcode, and here it says Apple Cupertino. Okay, let's open this up. So once you open the package, you can see, okay, sorry, there. It comes with a 1-year warranty and a certification and compliance. I think you have to check that the ones that you bought actually have these two, and the third one is the cable itself. So cable itself is arranged in this manner. So maybe if you bought one online and with the same box, but if you open it and if you can see that the cables are not in this manner of arrangement, then I think that would be a red flag that the one you bought is maybe a fake one or not authentic. So the one that's holding the cable should look like this, and then voila, here's the cable. Again, I hope this video helps you in any way it can to try to confirm after you bought one of those cables that are posted online in Lazada or Shopee and Facebook, if those are real or not. So I bought this Lightning to USB cable from the Loop store in Ayala Center, and I think they are authorized seller of Apple products. So if you are using other brands other than Apple Lightning to USB cable, leave a comment below if you have a bad or good experience with it in terms of charging or how efficient it is. And personally, I don't recommend these cheap alternative cables, especially this one, Alibaba. I think I bought this for about 200 or 300 pesos. It just takes a lot of time and in terms of charging. And so that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Bye.